All right, welcome to the video to help you learn how to fill out the trial balance section of the worksheet. The worksheet is given to you in the working papers. We are doing the worksheet for Ford Consultants. The worksheet is the columnar form where the accountants organize the information and from following steps are able to create the income statement and the balance sheet, which are the financial statements that are necessary. Here is the information that we are going to use to create the trial balance. The general ledger accounts, which are here, cash, petty cash, accounts receivable, and the balances from the accounts for Ford Consultants on December 31st are below. So where these balances came from is from the general ledger ending balances at the end of the month for the accounts that we've been working with. So when we did the on your own, and we did it for whatever business it was, and you guys put in all of the individual accounting information, the debits and the credits, and calculated the balances, the ending balances when you guys were done, these now have to be put on the trial balance section of the worksheet to make sure that our debits equal our credits. Again, according to the notes, that's the whole purpose of this. We have to make sure that our debits equal our credits. So we are going to do Ford Consultants worksheet. Again, any type of accounting form, financial statement, you put the name of the business, the title of the form, and then you put the date. This is for month ended, and here it tells you December 31st. Now what we're going to do is we are going to transfer the general ledger account balances, because that's where these came from, and put them here, add it up, and see if our two totals balance. So we look at cash. The ending general ledger account balance for cash was an $8,500 debit. You will write that there. Then you look next, petty cash. You record that $100 in the petty cash box. Accounts receivable Gray Company, $650 gets recorded here. So far so good? All right, accounts receivable Markin, $325. Our supplies, we had $925. Make sure you write everything neatly because you're going to have to add this up later. Prepaid insurance, $600. Again, as you can see, we're still in the debit. All right. Now, accounts payable Insta supplies. Accounts payable Insta, according to this, that is a credit balance. We will write it on the credit side of the trial balance. $325. All right. Accounts payable Sula supplies, $650. And then the capital account had a credit balance of $6,000. Deborah Ford Drawing is the next account. Looking over here, $1,000. It is a debit. You write $1,000 in the debit column. One thing I've done for you is if nothing goes there, I make it dark so you don't write anything where you're not supposed to. The income summary account we will discuss later. It is blank. Sales. According to this, sales had a credit of $7,000. Advertising expense, $250. There is no insurance expense. There is a line. Miscellaneous expense, $125. Rent expense, $1,200. No supplies expense as of yet. Utilities expense, $300. Now, the next key is to add up all of the debits together vertically in the column. Put the amount there. Then you add up your credits and you put the amount there. The debits must equal the credits. Let's add the credits first. We came up with $13,975. Now, I want you to add up the debits and see if you come up with $13,975. If you do, underneath it, I want you to put 2 lines, which is a double rule, which shows that they balance. All right, if you have any questions, message me.